Today I wanted to talk a little bit about CPM costs, cost for 1,000 impressions that you can get in Facebook. Before I thought really that high CPMs are bad, so I had to change something, but at the end I found out that high CPMs can also really mean that you have customers who are really willing to pay or to process the checkout, while low CPM cost means most of the time that you have simply a lot of people coming to your ad, but they don't purchase at the end. You will also realize if you target developed countries such as US or Germany, France, UK, there you have much higher CPMs than in other countries, and that's simply connected to the fact that you have much more people who are willing to buy, and that's simply the reason for high CPM costs. Just keep in mind that you don't need to avoid high CPM costs, but one way to reduce CPM costs is that you can duplicate your ads. So you have your campaign, your ad sets, and your ads itself, and by simply duplicating the ads you will see lower CPM costs, because Facebook will take the average of all the ads combined together, and this will help you to reduce some costs. So just try it out. I think you will get really happy with that results. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm currently in Abu Dhabi, staying a few nights in Dubai, and then heading back to Germany. See you.